APLD stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is applied digital stock buy. I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. This thing sort of just gapped up out of nowhere. And especially, okay, we had 2 break-evens here. Yeah, it gapped up. I wanted to take it up, but just after a gap up, what can I do, right? Like, I'm hoping I see the price correct down so I can position myself the way that I want, and that's where we are right now. All I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met, and let me know what is your opinion on APLD. Like, I do have a bunch of picking receipts here with about 68 results, so if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.